Hey everyone, I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to set the auto stop loss and take profit in TradingView in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get TradingView subscriptions at 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 3 days left, so make sure that you hurry and explore the offers and grab this deal. So in order to basically enable the auto stop loss and take profit, you will have to come here on tradingview.com. Over here, first of all, simply open any of the charts in front of you. Once the chart is enabled, simply click on the option of trading panel here in the bottom left. Over here, you just have to simply connect any of the brokers on TradingView which you basically use and then log in into it. So once you log in, your data is going to look something like this. Over here, once the connection is established successfully, you will see these buy and sell options here on the top. Now here what you need to do is you need to first of all simply use this long short tool based on your analysis and your view on the market. After that, click on the option of the buy or the sell, then you just have to place the order. Now as soon as you place the order, you will see the option of TP and SL. So in order to place TP, you just have to hover over to the let's say SL and then drag and drop it something like this. Similarly, you just have to drag and drop TP something like this. After that, simply click on the option of confirm. And as you can see, I have placed my stop loss and my TP for this particular trade. Now, in order to manage your TP or your SL, you just have to simply enable the take profit option and the stop loss. You can simply change these values in order to trail your stop loss or in order to basically increase your TP. You can also use these lines over here and you can place your TP just like so. Make sure that once you make the changes, click on the option of confirm. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.